Welcome back to the channel. I've been working on trying to figure out where to mount the electronics for my car because some of them need to be accessible so I can adjust them while I'm sitting in the driver's seat. I had built a custom trans tunnel, so as you can see I had to butcher the carpet to get it to sort of fit. So I figured, well, I got to make something to cover that up, and then thought occurred to me, why don't I just make a carbon fiber panel, kill two birds, one stone, cover that mess up there, and mount my electronics. So that's what we're going to do.
Bought from eBay for $60. I'm starting out with a 15 by 12 by 1/8 inch thick piece of carbon fiber we're going to use to build the panel. Jeez. No glasses, no respirator. This guy's a real idiot.
I think what I'm going to do is round those edges down. Now what this is very simple wind lace, which goes around the window channel of most 60s automobiles. Very simple, black. It's got a grip in there where it pinches on to the panel. Get it up close there for the camera. Grabs onto the panel and makes a nice secure fit. See how it works. Should work pretty good, although I'm concerned this gap might be a little large, but we'll see how it fits. There we go, not too bad. This wind lace will protect against the sharp edges of the carbon fiber. Keep anybody who might come in contact with it safe. Let's see how it fits.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Now this panel will be used to mount a couple of things: an O2 alert to monitor air-fuel ratio, and boost leash, which, if you're familiar with that, it controls boost pressure of the turbo. This one doesn't have any wiring that needs to be attached on the back of it, so that can be mounted flush on the panel. However, this one does, so I'm going to have to drill out a hole so that recesses in. And I'll get into position about where it's going to be. Put a little higher up. That should be the spot. Position the boost leash about where we want it to be. Make the marks. Rough approximation about where it needs to go. And that should do it. Now I'm going to drill 3 1/2-inch holes to open up the area where the wiring goes through. At this point, we're going to handle the rest of this with a die grinder and a cutting bit. All right, sits flush, and we have enough room for the plug. tape on there so then I can mark the drill. On a side note, I bought this from famous Pro 5.0 racer Lou Proto. It's one that was on his car. It was running the 460 in it.
And then some.
And with nitrous, and used this to monitor his O2 levels. Now that the position of the panel is correct, I'm going to mark for the insulating mounts that I'm going to use to attach this to the floor pan. I'm going to be using these insulating mounts from Summit. These were $11.99. The ones from MSD were $23.99. Well, and there we have it. Holes drilled, everything's lined up. I'm not going to bolt it down fast yet because I have an ignition box to mount yet, and probably a switch or two possibly. And there it is. That should do the job.
Well, that seems reasonable enough.